Ride for freedom, adventure, and effortless commuting. Designed with precision and power, this electric bike features a 1000 W high-torque motor paired with a 48 V13 removable lithium battery, delivering the perfect blend of speed and endurance. Cruise confidently at up to 20 miles per hour, whether you're gliding through city streets or conquering weekend trails. With 20x 3-inch fat tires, the E20 gives you superior grip and comfort, rain or shine, road or dirt. Safety comes first with dual disc brakes for instant stopping power and a 7-speed Shimano system that keeps every ride smooth and controlled. The removable battery makes charging effortless, at home, at work, or on the go, so you're always powered up for your next journey. And here's the real game changer. For a limited time, you can grab the URLIFE E20 for just $370.48. No compromises, no inflated prices, just unbeatable value and premium performance in one sleek design. So whether you ride to save on gas, explore new trails, or simply enjoy the thrill of the open road, the E20 is made for you. Ride smarter. Ride stronger. Ride URLIFE.